Christmas baking is my favorite part of the season, and today I'm taking you through the whole process of making these Christmas Danish butter cookies from scratch. They're buttery, simple to decorate, and their elegant festive designs make them a true holiday classic. Alright, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you will need, and you can also find the full recipe with step-by-step instructions linked in the description box below. Add the butter and sugar to a mixing bowl and beat until they are pale and fluffy. Since butter is the star of this recipe, I like to use a brand I trust for the best flavor, but just go with whatever good quality butter you enjoy. Then add the egg yolks, vanilla extract, and double cream. Continue beating until everything is fully incorporated and the mixture looks smooth and creamy. For the dry ingredients, sieve in the cake flour, corn flour, and salt. Sifting helps break up any lumps, adds a bit of lightness, and makes it easier for the dry ingredients to mix evenly into the wet mixture. Gently mix the ingredients until they are just combined. Then finish bringing the dough together by hand. This gentle handling helps ensure the cookies turn out tender and light. You will feel the dough is a bit thick, but it should still be smooth and easy to spread. Divide the dough into 4 equal portions using a kitchen scale, but it's totally fine if you just eyeball them. You should end up with these 4 portions of dough ready to be transformed into festive cookie dough. Sieve green tea powder into 1 portion and mix gently to turn it green. For a more vibrant festive shade, I add a little gel food coloring. I start by mixing in Kelly green little by little. Since gel coloring is very concentrated, a little goes a long way, and you can always add more if needed. Then add a touch of forest green to make it really festive, but feel free to adjust it to your own preference. Sieve cocoa powder into another portion to turn it brown and mix well until fully incorporated. For the third portion, I mixed Christmas red and super red to get a shade I like. Once again, feel free to adjust it to your own preference. Finally, leave the last portion plain to balance out the festive colors. Then load each portion into a separate piping bag and they are ready to be piped. To make sure all the cookies come out the same size and shape, I have prepared 3 simple piping templates so there's no guessing where to turn or where to stop. I have uploaded them to my blog, so feel free to download them if you would like to use them. I'm using a square baking pan here. Feel free to customize the template size to fit whatever baking tray you have at home. I will be using an open star piping tip for the first 3 designs. Before piping, lightly spray the pan with cake release to help the template stick in place. Then spray again on top of the template, lay a sheet of parchment paper over it, and you are ready to pipe. Hold the piping bag straight and apply steady pressure as you follow the template. When you reach the end, stop squeezing and use your finger to gently swipe the tip of the dough for a clean finish. Then swap to the matcha dough and fit a small piping tip to pipe tiny stars. Use a spatula to gently place it in the center to create a knot of the bowl. With this amount of dough, I'm able to make about 6 bowls. Once you are done, place the whole tray in the freezer and let the cookies firm up completely. For the Christmas wreaths, use the same open star piping tip and follow the circular templates. Hold the bag steady and move your hand in a circular motion, letting the dough fall gently. Don't drag the tip or the cookie won't stay round. Once you are done, freeze the whole tray until the cookies firm up. For the Christmas trees, swap to the vanilla dough and use the same open star piping tip with the triangle template. Pipe in a zigzag motion following the triangle shape to create the tree. Next, swap to the chocolate dough and pipe a small piece to form the tree trunk. Use scissors to trim it for a neat finish. Place it under the tree to complete the shape. Once done, freeze the whole tray until the cookies firm up. For the Christmas rings, I'm using a French star piping tip. There's no template needed because the design is simple, but the tip creates a beautiful textured pattern that makes each cookie look extra special. When you are done piping, freeze the cookies until they are firm to the touch. When the cookies are almost firmed, preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Take a look, they should be firm to the touch. If you have any leftover dough, pipe smaller cookies to make the most of every bit. Remove the template and adjust the spacing if needed. These cookies don't spread much, so they don't need a lot of space between them. Bake in the preheated oven for about 13 to 18 minutes or until the edges turn lightly golden. Let the cookies sit in the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes. Just look at them, they're so festive, and the cookies haven't spread at all. Every line and pattern is nice and distinct, and I'm really happy with how they turned out. Then carefully transfer them onto a wire rack to cool completely. Continue baking the rest of the cookies, and here's how they all turned out. Festive, beautiful, and full of holiday charm. You can definitely enjoy them just like this, but I'm going to show you how to make them even more festive. These will be true showstopper cookies that are sure to impress everyone this year. To decorate the cookies, you will need some white chocolate and dark chocolate. Melt them separately in the microwave. And of course, have your favorite Christmas sprinkles ready because they're going to add that perfect festive sparkle. And place the sheets of parchment paper on your work surface for the cookies to set. Alright, everything's ready. Let's start decorating. here they are, festive, sparkly, and absolutely beautiful. These cookies are definitely ready to impress this Christmas. I hope you enjoy these cookies as much as I enjoy decorate them. They are not only festive, but also scrumptiously delicious. Buttery, melt in your mouth, and honestly, once you take a bite, you will want more and more. Click the link in the description to get the full recipe and download the templates to start making these cookies. If you would love more Christmas baking inspiration, check out my Christmas playlist. It's filled with delightful bakes to make your holidays extra special. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a peaceful New Year. Bye for now.